Hey everyone. So I want to show the pie chart one more time. So first of all, you need to install Anaconda and PyCharm. So Anaconda and PyCharm can be found here. This is programming feature recognition. On the video lectures, it show you Python, install Python, install Conda, download PyCharm, download stuff like that. Okay. Please find it Conda PyCharm. Conda and PyCharm. Conda is the environment to manage the Python environment. We can switch different version of Python easily, which is very convenient. That's why I want to install it. PyCharm is a editor editing this Python, which is very convenient as well. So these two tools are highly recommended. By the way, they are professional tools. They're not only just like small teaching tool. Okay. Once you install the PyCharm, which is this, Anaconda, so what you can do is start a new project. You can start. I use the this Mac version, the PyCharm. It could be slightly varied with your Windows version, but anyway, and this is you can start PyCharm, you can start Journ, right? And you can start new environment. You can start a Conda, and and also you can use previous version environment or this new environment. So Conda here, right? So here you can call Journ and Python version 3.9. Actually, you can use many different versions, which is the reason why it's powerful. Then you can click create. So step number one, create a new project. You can call Journ, okay? And create the Conda environment. You can call Journ as well. So this is the path for Conda environment. So all your Python is installed under this folder, which is why you can manage different version Python. Okay, click create. Once you click create, and so the PyCharm is started, and it will just start to create your project. And this one gives the tip. It tell you basic tip using PyCharm. We can skip it. Close. It takes a bit time for the PyCharm build this project for you. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. Meanwhile, we can open the folder. Again, I use PyCharm. Uh, for you, it might be it's Mac version. I use this called Finder. For you, is Fire browser. Okay. Alrighty. So this one here, if you go to main, you drag the main here. This already pre-built this main file for you, so we can delete it. Right click and we can delete. We can delete it. And then what we do is drag three files, select three files, and drag there. Uh, yeah, it says this thing is still indexing. It doesn't support you. Yeah, indexing finished. Right, you can see that. Indexing means try to make the project ready for you. It's move to here. Now click refactor. Great, you move all the files to there. Right? So all the file move there, okay? Yeah, it kind of slow. Alrighty, so again, so under this main file here, so the only thing we need to do is change this one here, coefficient. Students ask me, do I have to change anything else? Not right now. So you just change this coefficient, okay? And in the future, so you can dive into it more and change more, but not this particular for this effort, okay? So this is P and D, PAD, PED. So you change this coefficient for yaw, front, back, and up or down. So you can observe the step response of this PDI, 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 right? Step response means you try to make step input for yaw, right? Make step input for front back, make step input for up down. Then you can check what the drone response, including settling time as well as overshoot and field table. All right, so on this UT here, mainly the find phase and tracking phase, find phase and tracking phase, right? And the tracking phase mainly implementing the PID, okay? And this file is only for this file particularly is trained data called hair classifier it to actually to identify your face among the images it takes. Okay. All right, you can right click run. You see it says module not found. Which module not found? Called DJI title PY. So what I'm going to do is click terminal. Again, on Windows terminal around here, okay, around this left side. On Mac on this side. Actually, once you click terminal, you can see already go to the drone in default. This drone, as this is a counter environment you just built. So what you do is let's install this DJI title PY module, right? You can see you can go here, you can go to run, you can find error, okay? This error. It complaining DJI title PY module missing. So we go back to terminal, so we can pip install DJI title PY. By doing this, and you can find that it is able to install this automatically. And so that's why I highly recommend you install Anaconda, which is really difficult if you don't use Anaconda. It's just very painful to do. With Anaconda, it's just one command line. You can see how many the package installed. Okay. Once this package installed, I believe this error should be resolved. In this case here, right click here to run one more time. Right. So what you can do is you can click something like this one here. You see this updating skeleton. This is for first time around. It prepares some like a behind the scene organization for you. Mainly try to make all the library ready. Later time it will be much faster. You have to be patient, okay? Alrighty, you can planning this port because I did not try to use Wi-Fi connect the drone. Okay, once you do, it'll be much easier for to run. And so on Windows, if you run this one here, it prompt Python to ask you give permission to open the port. You should click allow, please. If you don't click allow, you will get trouble. You're never able to connect your drones. And you have to go to firewall and do some configuration. It's just very not convenient. So what you're going to do if you click this wrong here on Windows, it pop up some like a please allow this Python access the network. You need to click allow. If you don't, this program will never work. The overall objective of the program use PID to feature tracking of drone. Thank you. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.